Okay, so we are doing preposition für. Huh? This is called für. Für means for. Okay, just I will share this document. Just understand. Für. So the question is for whom. In German we say für wen. Für wen. Huh? Für wen. Long sound. Für wen. Like I say, for whom is the pizza. For whom is the pizza? So question. Für wen.
Für wen ist die Pizza?
Für wen ist die Pizza? Correct. You should know the article. Huh? Für wen ist die Pizza? Für wen. Okay. This is the question. It's a question word. It's a question word. Question बनाने के लिए इसको यूज करते हैं.
Rajan. Okay.
Yeah.
Rajan.
Yeah. Für wen. And then another sentence, another question we'll see, like for whom is this house? Okay, so für
wen
wen.
das Haus?
Correct. Für wen is das Haus? House. Huh? Für wen is das Haus? Okay. Any other question? For whom?
For whom are you waiting?
For whom are you waiting? Okay. Für wen. Now we need to find the word for waiting, which we have not done. Für wen. Warten Sie. Warten Sie. Huh? Warten. So we don't write R, we just write the main verb. Warten means waiting. Okay. फिर वेन.
एक चीज पूछना था कि
yes.
ये जब भी वेटिंग आता है तो वो हम लोग कैसा टेक केयर करते हैं जर्मन में?
Warten. There is no continuous tense. ing formation is not available. Simple.
Deutsch में नहीं है.
No, ing concept is not. So we just write the main verb. We don't write R. We write main verb. Waiting is main verb. R is auxiliary, helping verb. We write only main verb. Für wen warten Sie? It means for whom do you wait? For whom are you waiting? Both. Any other question? For whom are you writing? Okay, look at this.
I think that's it. For whom?
For whom are you writing? So für wen schreiben Sie? Okay, that's it. Schreiben Sie. Writing. Schreiben. Main verb. Schreiben and then conjugate Sie. If it's du, then schreibst du. Schreibst du. Conjugate. Huh? Remember? Schreibst du. St.
Okay. Yeah. Huh. Schreibst.
Now we'll see the answers. If you say simple, just one word answer, for me. For whom is the pizza? For me. Für mich. Say.
Für mich. Für mich.
Für mich. For whom is this house? So now we see the complete answer. Das Haus ist für. Suppose I write for you. Für dich. Okay. Das Haus ist für dich.
For you.
For you. So you can say one word, but you should learn properly complete answer.
Yeah.
For whom are you waiting? Answer. So now ich warte. I am waiting. Ich warte.
Ich warte. Meine Mutter.
Für.
Für meine Mutter.
Correct. Okay. So very carefully. Ich warte für meine Mutter. I am waiting for my mother. Correct?
Yes.
Next. For whom are you writing? So again, how will you start? I am writing. Yeah, ich.
Ich schreibe.
Schreibe. Schreibe.
Schreibe.
I am writing for. Für
For exam.
für die Prüfung, okay?
Für die Prüfung.
But if we say the person, because we are learning personal pronoun, na? Me, you, his, her. I am writing for Frau Miss Meyer, huh?
Okay.
For Frau Meyer, okay? Any person. For Frau Meyer, not D. D is for Prüfung only. For Frau Meyer. Or I am writing for her. Then ich schreibe für
Für her is the
Z.
Z.
Look at the table.
हाँ
टेबल लिखा आपने मिश डिश
हाँ yes.
ओके
Z
गॉट
का
इट
Z है.
यस क्लियर
Yes. Klar.
so that is called für wen okay
Für
for whom just go through once quickly
Für wen? For whom is it is? Für wen is